In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to import browser data from Chrome to Opera GX. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you need to do this is to have your Chrome account properly set up and synchronized on the computer where you are going to use the Opera GX browser. Also, make sure to download and update Opera GX to its latest version by going to the Opera website at opera.com/gx. After you ensure that you are running the latest version of Opera GX, just press the three lines at the top right corner of your screen and scroll down to go to the full browser settings. In here, use the search function to look for import. Now scroll down and you should find the synchronization option. You can also search for synchronization instead. As you can see, you can synchronize your browsing data by signing in, or alternatively, if you don't want to sign in, just select the Import Bookmarks and Settings and choose the web browser that you want to import the data from. As you can see, Chrome is the first option from the drop-down menu, but you also have other browsers that might be installed in your computer. Select what you want to import and then select the Import button to proceed with the changes. I hope I was able to help you on how to import browser data from Chrome to Opera GX. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.